Hello everybody, guys, we're going to the desert. I'm so excited. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along in a separate bit. We're literally getting in the car now. Love that.
A bit high there, you sure?
We out here. Judah's in the front. Judah, say hi.
Hey.
So excited, guys. I went in 2019 when I came with my friends, but this one's going to be a little bit different. So yeah, we'll discuss when we get there.
How many times a day do you do this?
Morning, evening.
Oh wow.
Wow. Ooh, got some wood going on. Like, look. Ooh. Wow. Look how high we are. This is amazing, guys. Wow, this is lovely. I can't believe I'm here, guys. Oh my gosh, so the last time we came here, we was here for 6 hours and we did dune bashing, I think it's called, surfboard, we went on a camel, quad bikes, went out for dinner. It was so long, it was like 3 till 9 or 10. But now this one's only 4 hours, thank God. And we've just done dune bashing and it was an experience. And now I'm literally in the desert and we're gonna be doing some sandboarding. This is just, oh God, it's good. Look how amazing this looks. Wow, it looks like the Lion King, okay? Literally the Lion King. Oh, this is London, baby. We out here, we in this club. Wow. I'm just living my life. I'm here to enjoy myself, do you know what I mean? I just want to be me. Mummy's still getting a photo shoot, obsessed. I'm obsessed.
1, 2, 3. Bend, your leg, bro.
Cute. My mama. She looks so good with the thing on. Bless her. Guys, this sand is so fine. Wow.
Now it's going slowly.
Well done.
Well done, boy.
Yeah.
It's going slowly. Balance, straight.
He's off again. Wow.
Go on, boy.
Oh, that's cheating, Ed.
Oh, like this.
Like this, yeah.
Oh, I don't know about this.
Yes.
Okay. This one hand the boy back. Yeah. Okay.
Ah!
Do it, man.
No.
That was a workout. Walking back up. Doesn't even look that steep, that's it. I need to get to the gym. I shouldn't be out that breath. Wow. Oh my gosh, what a lovely day.
Literally.
I'm loving this.
Amazing.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, shake it.
Oh, wow.
So you come this way.
Hello.
Back on that way.
Wow.
What happened?
It just floated.
Oh, on your arm?
No, no, no. We're not in the desert. Well, the desert's there. But I think now we are riding the camels and doing some, I think, the quads. How you feeling, Mum?
Yeah, great. I wish I'd gone on that surfboard thing now.
Oh.
I don't regret holding that, but not holding that bird.
Bless her, she didn't get on the snowboard.
Div.
Silly ghost. Oof. Still something. The sun.
This bit here reminds me of Jamaica.
Really?
Yeah, you know, like it's all...
Okay, guys, just went in the shop. They put the, I don't know what it's called, but you know, like the scarf thing around my head. But when I came to Dubai before, I had that, and I've got my hair in bunches. I didn't want it. They put it on, and I was like, okay, time to pay. I was like, I don't want it. I felt bad, but listen. But yeah, it's like this for a reason. So yeah, now we are going to get on the camels and do the quad bikes. I'm so excited. This has been great, and it's only like 9 in the morning. This is London, baby. This is Dubai, baby. We're on the quads, lads. Hey, Mum. Doodle's gonna pick Sid. I'm living my best life. I'm actually obsessed. Ah, we out here, guys. I'm on a camel in Dubai in the desert. Wow, boys, say hi. Hello. Me and my mama on a little camel doing our bit. So I have to get everyone in.
This is Dubai. You're a long way from home.
My mum was
Thinking you're in London. This is Dubai.
We were just talking about Fast and Furious where Dom's like, look at you, thinking you're in America. You're a long way from home. Huh?
Under arrest? I don't feel like I'm under arrest. Do you, Eden?
No, I don't. If you've not seen Fast and Furious, this ain't going to make sense.
If you're not saying Fast and Furious, watch it.
Yeah. Not the 9th one, though, that one's dead.
Oh, literally.
Oh, look at
Space,
us,
like
Mum.
seriously, too far.
What a day, what a day. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. It's Mother's Day. And the desert, guys, 10 out of 10 would recommend. That guy who took us was literally amazing. The pictures we got, honestly, I'm obsessed. It was just so much fun, such a great day. So worth the money. So it was 150 AED for...
That's if you get one prize.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
But it was 150 AED for like the dune bashing, the like sandboarding, the camel, the falcon.
Especially the pedal. You might have to do the pedals you're in.
It was great. And then it was another 150 for the quads for half an hour, which is great. So it was like 300 AED for like them to pick you up, drop you off as well. It was for 4 hours from 8 till 12, and yeah, it was really great. And 300 AED is like 75 or 70 quid. Honestly, for that, amazing. Honestly, such a great day. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Oh, such a great day. Yeah, I thought let's do a separate video for this because it's going to be great. And it was. And I think I said it earlier, but when I went before, it was 6 hours, and it was, even though it was 6, which is only 2 hours more, it was just so long because like when we was doing the quads and stuff, there was just other people. When we was doing the dune bashing, there was other people in the car with us. We was queuing to get on the camels and stuff. But that was just us, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah, brilliant.
And it was just so nice that we could like walk around, like drive around, and there weren't loads of other people, Jordan. Because when I did it last time, there was literally like, maybe not 50, but like 30, at least 30, no, probably 50 actually. There was loads of people, so.
Thanks to
Yeah, thanks to Sid's person. What's his name again?
Hannah. What?
No, Majid. The guy who...
Oh yeah.
He was lovely. I don't know what his details are, but I would recommend. Yeah, thanks to Sid's friend Hannah, who's literally put us on everything, honestly. What a great day, because when I came before, we tried to text the person because I asked my friend, and his phone doesn't work, so he doesn't have WhatsApp anymore. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll see you in next week's one. Bye!